Chef Anthony here at Don's Appliances. So excited to bring you this couple cloves of garlic on the cutting board. I'm going to show you the easiest way to, kind of cut and peel these guys, just using your knife. All right, normal medium-sized head of garlic right here. We're just going to go and snip the top out right here, just like that, nice and easy. And what I'm going to do is I'm just going to bust these like little bit of like cloves right down. So I'm going to go take the bottom, snap into it, and look at this. Nice and easy. They all fall like dominoes, okay? Everybody wants fresh garlic. Here's the kicker right here. So I'll take these, make sure they're all nice and easy. Take the back of my knife, go like this. This is one way, and just press it down, and it'll release it from the actual skin, all right? So look at that. Just do a little bit of a peeling. That's my first one. Now I can do the same thing with the other ones. Just use the top of the knife, go down, just like that, okay? Look how nice that looks. Same here, I'll do another one. You don't have to really smash them. If you want to do this, like this is for diced. If you want to use your garlic for like smashed garlic, like a lot of people do like smashed garlic bread and things like that, that's really where you're gonna add all that force and just press it in there. See the difference between this and this? This is smashed. Very, very smashed. It makes it a lot easier to make garlic paste and things like that. For the dice though, let's remove all this, clear the board, and let's show you how to cut one of these. So this clove isn't flat, it's oblong, it rolls a little bit. What we want to do is we want to cut it in half, oh so gently, okay? Now we have a flat side to use. So we can just go like this and really get beautiful garlic that we could dice or slice or use in sauce or liquidate down. Nice and easy, just like this. To get a perfect mince. And now we'll use the backhand of our knife, just like that. So that's minced garlic, okay? Let's grab our smashed clove, and now we'll smash it again, really get that paste. See how flat it is? And now we'll go one more time just to smash it again. And really, we take a lot of the oils out of it. And now that's that slice of mashed garlic. Just keep pasting it down. Chop and paste. See that? That's really, look at the difference in that between minced and the smashed. All great for different cooking aspects and applications. Some recipes call for it different ways. You know, a lot of recipes call for it whole, so it really steeps and you can see it and it softens. So here's just a few ways, a couple quick easy ways to cut garlic, to get it right out of the clove, super easy. Hope this helps you, peel some garlic and, have some fun with cooking. Enjoy this.